So when we go to find the slope of just a generic line on a graph, we do want to start out by finding what I call nice points. So these are points that have a vertical line through them and a horizontal line through them from the grid. Okay, so if we look here, like this point here would be the first nice point. I know it's exactly -4 on the x, and it's also exactly -4 on the y. Going to the right, this is not a nice point. I mean, I know that the x is a -3, but not quite sure what the y is. Another nice point there. There's going to be one there, and one there. So here we've identified 5 nice points. We're really only going to use 2 because for slope, it's rise over run. To find the rise, we're only using 2 of the points from one point, how far up, and then how far to the right. Okay, so in this case here, we're generally speaking, you want to start on the y-axis. People that are really good at this, they normally always start on the y-axis. As you get further on in math, you'll figure out why they do that. But here we go. So these would be the 2 probably best points to use for finding slope. And we're going to start at the one on the left and count how many squares up and then how many squares to the right. So here we go. We're going to count. It goes up 1 square. So that's our rise. It's going to be 1. And then we're going to count over 2 squares. And that's going to be our run, which is 2. So our slope for this one here is just 1/2, is decimal 0.5. So we start out with 5 points, narrowed it down to 2 nice ones, and then how far up, and then how far to the right. And that's all there is for finding slope on a graph. So let's have you go ahead and try this one out on your own. Pause the video real quick and then come on back and see how you did. So for finding slope of a line on a graph, remember we want to find nice points. Okay, so normally start on the left side of the graph of the line and work your way to the right. So we're going to start over here. Here's our first nice point would be there. No. There's one there. Not one. Remember, we want to find these nice points where they go through a vertical line and a horizontal line. This point right here, I know what the y is, but not quite sure what that x is. Here, I'm not sure what the y is, but the x is definitely a 2. So that's what nice points are, where you can get the nice whole numbers that are on the grid. Okay. Now, remember slope, that's rise over run. We only need 2 points. Most people start on the y-axis and then work their way to the right. So we're going to start at this one and we're going to count up and then we're going to count to the right. So how far up? It goes 1, 2, 3, 4 squares up and 1, 2, 3 squares to the right. So the rise was a 4 because we went up 4 and the run was a 3 because we went to the right 3. And there's the slope of the line, of that line right there.